What is up, traders? A bad trader here, and in front of me is the Bitcoin weekly chart. In this video I'm going to discuss all the possibilities that are around the Bitcoin chart, that where we can head next, what's the next possible moves and all that stuff. I'm going to discuss starting with the Elliott wave, what the Elliott wave theory shows us where we are at right now. So let's take the wave, draw it. So drawing it from the top of the Bitcoin all-time high to the downside, we draw it something like this. So now there's an argument around the Elliott wave traders that if you are in a fourth wave right now, or the move have ended, this being the third, this being the fourth, and this being the fifth wave. But some traders suggest that we are in the wave 4 right now, maybe 32,000 or something will be the top, and we will get another leg down. And the reason they give as to why they are thinking that way is that we are in a bear flag right now, which is forming like this, and they're like, see this, we are in a bear flag, calculating its move length to like here, and expecting the breakout to be something like this, and that gives us 14k or 15k, and that will be our lost wave. And that is how they come to the conclusion that we will go down, or we will have another leg down to 14k. And some of them also claim to go to 8k, the 8k gang as usual. Is that when we break the low, like the low in all these years, this is the lowest low we've ever come in like 2 to 3 years, and obviously whenever we break a low, we trigger fear in the market, and the price goes more below. The price go down more than expected, and that leads to the conclusion of 10k. Now, keeping in mind the Elliott wave, the Wyckoff accumulation method, if we chart it out on the time frame right now, like this, that also shows us that we might go down, that head and shoulders pattern, and the reaccumulation, or the second accumulation, and to the upside, and we are in this 4-year cycle accumulation zone that leads us to the downside. Their argument is very strong. The structure shows that they're thinking the right thing right now. Let's mark it as a yellow, and yeah, everything suggests and shows that we can get lower, and maybe break up to like 35k or something like that, and we go to the downside. And we know that one of the structure, one of this V-shaped structure always breaks and makes a new low in this whole structure, and this is only the first one. If you think that we broke 18k, that was the breakout of it, and the other two are gonna just bounce above it. That is, I think, wrong. And keeping in mind this whole Elliott wave and Wyckoff trading method, and there are GOM traders who believe that we have bottomed and will only go to the upside from here. And I get that their argument as to why they say that, you know, let's draw the fan, this being the bottom, and the fan comes out something like this, you know, something like this, because then we tip on the 8 by 1 angle, and the argument and what have been happening in the history is that we always break the 8 by 1 angle, and whenever we do that, it suggests that we have bottomed, but I do not think that way. I think we will have another low, and that would confirm the 8 by 1 breakout. And don't worry, this is how the 45 angle works. I know the calculation and formulas. I don't want to do it here right now. I have been studying GON for over a year now. I know everything. Obviously this fan is like a gimmick to what GON does, because the 1 by 1 angle changes as a Bitcoin ranges every time, and I don't want to go into the space-time continuum argument and all that conspiracy, but this works for a normal beginner trader, so let's go with it. And this is how everyone with the theory, the you could say ancient methodologies, is viewing their chart right now, that we can have another low. That is just a suggestion, that is not something that should happen, that will happen. I'm not claiming that to be, but if it happens, you know, you could be prepared for it, and be ready, you know, make money till here, and you can buy some around here. And this range is actually very good if we see the past price action and the bottoms and the tops that happened here, you know, starting from, we can do it from here. You know, this range has always been like the most profitable range. Let's make it big here. This is, that's why I've chose the color golden in here, the gold type color. Now this is the range to buy. This box here is the range, you know, and the pun comes from here too, that sell your house and buy it here. Like, this is just for the sake of joke, guys, don't do it. And that's how I'm seeing the Bitcoin chart right now. I could be wrong, I'll definitely be wrong, but you know, that is how I'm seeing my chart right now. It's always good to know what other people are thinking, you know, what's their thought behind their plan or idea, what they're thinking, how they're thinking certain things. And it's always good to have diversification of ideas and plans. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please trade safe, use a low leverage, and stay safe. Thanks for watching the video.